In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete profiles on Klaviyo. Whether you're looking to streamline your audience list or simply manage your subscribers more efficiently, this guide will walk you through the essential steps for swift and effective profile management. Let's dive in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.klaviyo.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account, so click on the login button. Enter your credentials, and just like that, you're primed and ready to start managing your profiles. Now you're at your dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a navigation panel. You're looking for the section labeled Audience. This will house all the lists and segments that you manage within Klaviyo. Click on Audience to proceed. Once you've opened the Audience section, you'll want to focus your attention on lists and segments. Clicking here reveals all your groups. Each represents a different cohort of subscribers, allowing for granular management of how and to whom you send your campaigns. Select lists and segments to continue the process. At this point, you'll see an array of lists and segments appear before you. If you're looking to bulk delete, you have the option to delete profiles from a specific type of list or across all types. To tailor your action to your need, click on All Types. From there, you'll choose to delete certain types or opt for all types if you're looking for a more comprehensive clean. Ready to select profiles for deletion? You'll notice a small radio button next to the name column. Clicking this button will allow you to select all the names currently displayed in your list or segment. This step is crucial for bulk operations, as it simplifies the process, ensuring you won't have to individually select each name. With your chosen profiles now selected, find and click the delete button. This action, as decisive as it sounds, leads you one step closer to a tidier Klaviyo database, but Klaviyo wants to make sure you mean business, thus you'll encounter a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. Now it's time for the final part. You'll be prompted to confirm your action once more by clicking on the delete button again. This second confirmation is a safeguard against accidental deletions, ensuring that you're comfortable with your decision. And with that, you're done. You've successfully navigated the steps for bulk deleting profiles on Klaviyo. This process, now in your repertoire, can help you maintain a lean, efficient database. Thanks for watching and happy managing.